Welcome back to Tools Met. Today we are reviewing one of Amazon's top-rated wood routers, a machine designed for precision cutting, shaping, and carving. The build quality feels solid with a strong combination of metal and durable plastic. The grip is comfortable and well-balanced, allowing you to work for long periods without fatigue. The base plate is smooth and stable, giving you controlled movement across any wooden surface. This router comes with a powerful, high-speed motor that delivers clean and accurate cuts on hardwood, softwood, plywood, and more. The rotation speed of the bit is extremely fast, which makes carving, edging, and groove cutting very smooth. Whether you're working on furniture, door panels, decorative designs, or detailed shaping, this router performs reliably and consistently. One of the biggest advantages of this router is its precise depth adjustment system. The threaded rod mechanism lets you set the cutting depth with high accuracy, which is essential for grooves, joints, and detailed patterns. Using the straight guide, you can achieve perfectly straight channels, and even when following freehand markings, the control remains stable and predictable. The router also supports multiple collet sizes, making it compatible with a wide variety of bits: groove bits, trimming bits, round-over bits, V-bits, and decorative carving bits. This versatility means you can handle more than 10 types of woodworking tasks using just one machine. In terms of safety and control, it features an easy access on-off switch, strong dual handles, and a stable base that reduces kickback and vibration. The low vibration performance provides a cleaner finish and an overall better experience for both beginners and professionals. Overall, this wood router delivers excellent value for its price. With its combination of power, precision, build quality, and versatility, it stands out as a must-have tool for woodworking enthusiasts. Whether you're into furniture making, groove cutting, edge shaping, or decorative carving, this router can be one of the best investments for your workshop. Thanks for watching Tools Met. Stay tuned for more tool reviews.